Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be super fun. It's going to be a little bit more relaxed, a little, girl to girl talk, just talking about makeup. I recently placed an order to Sephora because there had been some items that I had been really wanting, and I could not hit that button, the checkout button. Like, I just couldn't bring myself to it. But I finally did. I finally got my order, and I wanted to share with you what I got. I have a little bit of new makeup-ish, kind of. And the other products are just things that Mama has been really wanting. Not needing, because I do not need makeup. We just decluttered a bunch of stuff, and here I am again hoarding makeup. So I'm really excited to share with you what I have here. I didn't buy too much. I didn't want to go overboard. But again, I just bought some things that I've just been really wanting. So I hope you guys are comfy. Grab your cobijita, your coffee, your water, your hot chocolate, whatever it is, and let's go ahead and jump into today's Sephora haul. Before we get started into today's haul, I just wanted to thank Top Cashback for sponsoring this portion of the video. If you do not know who they are a website where you can pretty much, like it says, get cash back. They are partnered with so many brands. Once you sign up, you will see how many brands you can shop through and get money back. The way that we are living at the moment, I feel like tons of people are already shopping online. So why not get money back while you spend money? Like, it's just a win-win situation. They also have an extension that you can add to your browser. It just makes it so easy. As soon as you log in, and it'll notify you when you earn cash back. It will also automatically look for active coupons for you, which, hello, like, I am a coupon queen. Anytime that I'm shopping online, I'm always looking for coupons, and Top Cashback has made it so much easier. That way I'm not like searching and seeing what works, what doesn't. It just checks it for you, and if there is an active coupon, then you add it and you save money. Also, for anybody that signs up for the first time, you do get $10 back. So the reason why I decided to place that order from Sephora was because they're currently offering 7% as cash back. So I was like, you know what, it is now or never. So that is why I got the makeup that I got, which was a little bit more pricier than I normally would, but it was worth it because I know that I'm going to be getting at least some money back. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into the first product that is just, it's literally eyeing me, it's calling me, it's saying, open me, open me. Anastasia Beverly Hills just released a new highlighter, a new lip gloss, and something else. Honestly, this is the only thing that really caught my attention. I love highlighters, like anything that is blinding and that makes your skin look nice and dewy, I am here for. This is the new shade called Iced Out. The packaging, can we take a moment? I love their packaging. It feels so luxe, so pretty. And this is what she looks like. It is a white highlighter, but it has the most beautiful golden reflect with a little bit of like a pink. I actually want to try this out, so let's grab a little bit. And honestly, like, the little pattern going on is to die for. This is a Morphe, what, M510. This is such a pretty color. Do you guys see that? Oh, I like that it's not too sparkly. I was looking up the reviews because I always like to be a chismosa and to look up reviews on products first, which I don't know how people are already giving it a review if it just launched, but whatever. This is so pretty, and some people were saying that it was too glittery. I don't see like glitter. I just see more of a dry baked highlighter. I don't know. I really liked it though. I am happy with my purchase. The next product, this is something that I've been wanting for so long, and I didn't want to buy it because I was like, I don't need it. I'm sure I have tons of colors like this palette, But I've been really into this brand lately, which is Artist Couture. If you don't know who it is, Artist Couture is actually owned by Angel Marino. He is an influencer. I think he started his career on Instagram. That's at least where I found him, and he is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, he is such a beautiful man. Anyway, so this is the Supreme Nudes palette. Oh, so stunning, so luxe, and I just wanted to try the formula. Like, I've seen Juicy Jazz talk about it, and I've also seen Taisha that she loves this palette, and Taisha is close to my skin tone, so it looks gorgeous on her all the time, so I figured, you know, this might work for me. Like, I don't know, it's really pretty. As you can see, it's very neutral, like nothing crazy, but I just really want to try out the formula. So let me do, ooh, okay, so that is the shade Transcend. Oh, that is so pretty, and it has really pretty like shimmery colors. This color Supreme, it's so pretty. It's like an olivey color. Again, this was more of a I wanted. Okay, all of these were more of a want. None of these were a need. Let's be honest with ourselves. But I really wanted this palette. I've just been eyeing it for so long. So next item is another new product. This is another Anastasia product, and it is their new Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax. I know that some of you don't like the whole bushy brow, but I just feel like it really works for my brows because I don't have tons of hair, and I've been really into like pushing them up to make them look a little thicker. And when I saw that they launched this, I was like, that's what I need, because I've been using literally hair glue on my brows, which works, don't get me wrong, but I just wanted to try it and see what it was all about. It looks like it has nothing on it, but it's a clear gel. I am so excited to try this. I'm going to try this out maybe tomorrow. I think I'm going to film a video and do like the first impressions on these products. I don't know. We're going to see. Next up is a bronzer that I've been eyeing for so long. Okay, I'm going to stop saying that. Obviously, all this makeup is products that I've been really wanting for a long time. I was in between getting a bronzer or getting the new Fenty powder foundation, but I know myself, and I'm not much of a powder foundation girl, and I don't really set my face with a powder foundation. Like, it has to be in a mood, you know, like I have to be in a mood in order for me to actually set my face. So I was like, I'm gonna go with a bronzer. You can never have too many bronzers. Now, I went with the shade Island Ting. It was so hard to choose online because I couldn't see the color, and I didn't know which one was gonna be too dark or too light. So I hope I picked the right color. We'll see. Ooh, okay. It looks a little dark. I almost want to try it a little bit. I'm just curious. The color is really pretty, but it does seem a little dark. I'm not gonna lie. Should we try it a little? Doesn't smell like anything. I mean, I already have too much makeup on, so I probably shouldn't try it on top of this. Okay, that's not too bad actually. I thought it was going to be a little too dark, but it's really pretty. I mean, I went very light, which that's what you should do with bronzers. Not like me, I wear the whole thing on my face. So next up is, this is actually a repurchase. Years ago, I fell in love with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I feel like this is such an iconic concealer, and I was like, I want to try a new concealer, but then I was like, I kind of want to go back to basics. So I remembered that I love this concealer. It's such a good product. This is in the shade Medium 1 Custard. I think this shade is like super popular or something like that. So I picked up a new concealer because I wanted a new concealer. And I'm excited to retry this because I remember loving it. I hope I still love it. So like my skin hasn't changed much, so I don't see why not. I just wish this product was a little bit more affordable, you know, but it's one of those times where I just wanted to kind of spoil myself. You know, I've been stressing lately. Mama needed some retail therapy. Funny thing, when I was buying the eyeshadow palette, see, this is how they get you. all the time, and I am a sucker for it because apparently I have no self-control. When I was buying the Supreme Nudes palettes, at the very bottom it said, we suggest you add this lipstick with this palette. I was like, add to cart. So I bought the Power Play Artist Couture Silk Cream Lipstick. Now, I have tried these lipsticks before and I love the formula. I'm actually wearing Saucy Gal on my lips and it's such a beautiful nude. I love his formula. So I knew I wasn't going to be disappointed with the product, but did I really need another nude? No. Did I buy it? Yes. So this is the color right here. It is a matte formula, which I personally love. You guys probably notice that I very rarely wear lip gloss. I just prefer a matte lip, but that is the shade right here. I'm actually going to give you a swatch next to Saucy Gal just so you can see the difference. Saucy Gal is a little more honey, a little more toned down. But both of them are gorgeous. The last product that I ordered is another Artist Couture product. This is their Diamond Lights Finisher. The reason why I bought this is because I've actually seen a few videos on Instagram of him applying like this with his fingers like all over the model's eyelid. And oh my gosh, it just looked stunning, okay? I was like, sold. You know, take my money, whatever. This is in the shade Diamond Bronze. It just looks so pretty. Like, these are just the colors that I naturally gravitate towards. So I actually want to do a little swatchy swatch here. Oh, that is so pretty. You guys see that? I feel like this is going to make your eyelids look wet. Oh, that's pretty. And that's on a dry hand. Oh my gosh, look at how metallic that looks. I feel like if you use these wets, ooh, it's just going to look stunning paired with a nude lip, nice bronzy shadow. Girl, I actually paired the new Fenty cream gloss in the shade Honey Waffles. Honey Waffles? Yeah. With the Saucy Gal lipstick, and oh, this lip combo is so pretty. These are also brand new by Fenty Beauty and they're so bomb. Like, I want another shade, but I'm gonna relax because I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it. I told you guys that I was pretty good at being a little minimalistic and not going overboard with my purchases. So that is it. That is everything that I've just been eyeing from Sephora and that I finally bought. I'm really excited to test everything out. If you guys want to see a video, like a first impressions on everything, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, that is it for me, you guys. I am so tired. I'm gonna take off my makeup and I am gonna go to sleep because it is pretty late at night. So thank you guys for joining me today. Thank you again to Top Cashback for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to sign up so you can get a $10 bonus. All the links will be in the description box down below. I love you guys. Stay safe, stay blessed, and until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.